How to connect OBS Studio to OmeTV. It's a little tricky, but don't worry, it's totally doable. First, let's get OBS set up as a virtual webcam. This is what allows OmeTV to see your OBS output. Open up OBS Studio. You'll see a virtual camera button in the bottom right corner. Click that. Now OBS is acting like a webcam. Next, let's get your webcam feed into OBS. Go to the Sources box in the OBS, right-click, and choose Add Video Capture Device. Select your webcam and click OK. You'll see your webcam feed. You can adjust its size and position to fit your screen. Now we need to tell OBS how to output to the virtual camera. Go to Settings, Virtual Camera, and make sure the output type is set to default. Click OK. We're almost there. You'll need a couple of extra files to customize the setup. Just go to this website and download those files. Okay, restart OBS Studio. Now let's head to OmeTV and manage our camera settings. Open up your web browser and head to OmeTV. If you see an access denied message, you might need to adjust your browser setting. Click the three dots in the top right corner. Go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Site Settings. Scroll down to Camera and make sure you have selected the correct camera. Usually something like USB 2.0 HD. If you're still having trouble, try disabling any physical cameras connected to your PC. If you're on a laptop, disable the built-in camera. On Windows, go to Device Manager, expand the camera section, right-click your camera, select Disable Device. Restart your computer. After restarting, refresh your OmeTV in your browser. If you don't see access denied message, then congratulations. Make sure the correct camera is selected in OmeTV's camera settings and you should be good to go. And that's it, you've successfully connected OBS to OmeTV.